What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a Sunday reset. We just got back to Houston yesterday. We were in Maryland for Thanksgiving with Tron's family. Great time. Had a blast. I didn't bring my camera. I didn't want to film. Just wanted to enjoy the trip, which we did. We got in super early. We ended up going out with his sister and his cousins and all of that, and all their husbands and everything. And so we didn't go to bed because we had to leave our flight at 5 a.m. And so we were out in Washington, D.C. partying, and then came back, ate, packed, and went straight to the airport. So yesterday we slept. So today, getting back into it, at least for the next week, because we're leaving again to Arkansas this coming weekend. We literally only have a few weeks left in here in our place. So I ain't doing any cleaning, okay? It's gonna be surface level cleaning for the next few weeks because once we get everything moved out, then I'll go in with a deep clean. Does this focus on me? This thing is annoying. I end up watching half of my footage back and it's always blurry. First, let me start off with planning out our food because one, I'm gonna head to Memorial Park and get a walk in. While I'm out, I am gonna stop at the grocery store because once I leave and come home, there's no leaving again. The meal plan. First, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna break down the groceries. Protein coffee, of course. Good on protein powder, good on almond milk. I got creamer, and I have coffee pods, so that one is good to go. So I'm having sourdough toast. Sourdough. We have eggs. I have avocados. I need bacon, and I want some arugula. I want a salad. Chicken, spring mix. I want cranberries, apples, walnuts, and feta, beef and broccoli, flank, oyster sauce, jasmine rice. If I decide to have a little sweet treat, I think it's like a date bark. So I need dates, I have peanut butter, and I have chocolate chips. All right, I look absolutely crazy right now. I'm gonna go figure out what my man wants. He'll have the beef and broccoli, he'll have the eggs and toast. I'll probably hit Costco and Trader Joe's. Now I'm going to clean up just the kitchen and the living room because I don't want to bring the groceries in to a dirty kitchen. Living room, kitchen, nice and clean. Now let me just do my hair, brush my teeth, all the good stuff, and get ready to head on out. In a mess right now. Look at my hair. I'm gonna wash it when I get back and put it into 2 French braids. The 2 French braids have been like my go-to because I'll just leave them there. I'm gonna probably do my flexi rods for Arkansas. Just the flexi rods, they just last a long time and I don't have to touch them up. My wash and goes last like 3 days. That's why I just prefer flexi rods because I get a full week. I've been wearing buns for the past few days, which I have been avoiding since I really got back into my natural hair journey. Buns will pull out your damn hair. And the last time I went and got my hair done, I didn't need a trim. And I usually need a trim every single time. My hair's doing good, okay? It's doing phenomenal. But also I haven't been wearing buns. All right, that is done. Now I'm going to actually edit that really quick so I can post it while I'm walking or getting my steps in. Also, I love this top. I love this top so much. I have a short sleeve and long sleeve and they're full length, but they came out with a mid version. And I love a mid top, especially for us short torso girlies. The mid tops are perfect. Like, I don't always want to wear a crop top, but the way full length shirts sit on my hips, I don't always enjoy. So see, these are where the high-waisted leggings sit and the top just meets perfectly right there. Ugh, it's so cute. To get going. And I forgot that it gets dark at like 4:30. Water, phone, headphones. I mean, I love that it's starting to get cold, right? But I hate that it gets dark at like 4:30. Costco, paper towels, and Diet Dr. Pepper. Y'all know the deal. I also got these Just Bare chicken strips. I got the spicy version. And then I got our thick cut Kirkland's bacon is our favorite. And then I got flank for the beef and broccoli. And then I got like a big old thing, 2 big things of mozzarella. And this is because Teron has been addicted to like this homemade pizza that I've been making. And we go through the cheese really fast. So I just got 2 big ones. Trader Joe's, real quick. Broccoli, spring mix, arugula, romaine, feta, refried beans, green chilies. I love the Trader Joe's dill pickle spears. They're so good. Onion, because I always just grab an onion. I got some pizza sauce, avocado oil spray, and then I got this puff pastry, and this is what I'm gonna make his pizza out of maybe today. And then we usually get the blueberry waffles from Trader Joe's, but I just went to the new one in Sugarland. They don't have it. So I just grabbed the whole grain ones. I guess we're gonna try that out. Apples for my salad, more avocados, dried cranberries, walnuts. I got him some apple cider vinegar. I got some pitted dates, sourdough, and then a couple things that I want to try because you don't go to Trader Joe's and not try new stuff, especially the seasonal things. So I got the peppermint pretzels. I love the pretzels. There's a cookies and cream one, an ube one. There's just tons of them. And then I also got the candy cane chocolate covered almonds. Try these. And then lastly, sweet cinnamon filled Korean pancakes. A chewy flaky dough with gooey cinnamon filling. Is this on the meal plan? No, it's not. But I want it anyway. Showered, clean. Oh, I still cannot hear out of this ear. From the flight, my ear was clogged up and it has not let up. I'm just doing a little skincare, toner, essence, and then mandelic acid, moisturizer. My hair is all washed and cleaned, and while I was in the shower, I did put in some oil and some styling lotion. I am still using Sacred. I love it. I love it. So it's been 2 months. I've been using it for 2 months so far. And I'm just gonna continue to use it. I still have enough products that hasn't ran out yet, but I am gonna order a couple more things. I just saw a notification, 30% off until tonight. I can't really braid, so this is like the best I could do. Let's make some food. We actually have some leftover ground beef that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna make some taquitos. And then I'm gonna bake Babe a pizza. Add in some chopped chilies. Then I got some refried beans. And then we're gonna use the Mission carb balanced tortillas. took some scissors and cut a little piece of his pizza. So let's try it with the puff pastry. Oh, the cheese like melted into the crust. It like soaked in there. The one from Pillsbury, they have a pizza dough. That one's better, but this is cool. So I guess these are more like flautas than taquitos. Like, what's the difference between the flauta and a taquito? I feel like these look like a flauta, but I just popped on a big glob of guacamole, some pico, and then instead of sour cream, I got the lactose-free plain Greek yogurt. Literally tastes the same. I went way too heavy on the pepper in my pico. I think I found a new item to add to my rotation. Like, look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Keep forgetting to pick up some hot sauce. I just need a little Tabasco. All right, it's actually quite a bit of time later. I ended up recording a whole YouTube video. So that's what I just did. That video will be posted after this one. Now I'm going to unpack this luggage and actually throw it away because I broke it. Eat some dinner and then start editing a video before I wind down for the rest of the night. It's December, a good month before the new year. You can do a lot in a month. I haven't shared a book in a long time, but a recent finish, I read Real by Kennedy Ryan. I thought it was good. I thought some parts was a little bit slow. This is not my favorite Kennedy Ryan book, but I still enjoyed it. I need to reorganize this whole thing, but I'm actually just gonna wait until we move because I'm gonna have to take all these books down anyway. Wait, I'm tripping. Where is... Oh, here they are. I found them. This could be us before I let go. I'm like, I'm missing a series, so yeah, we're just gonna put these all up here. The rest of Kennedy Ryan. I'm waiting for the third book in this series. I'm just gonna have a chicken salad for dinner. I have some of these Just Bare lightly breaded spicy chicken breast strips. I've never had them before, so trying them out. Okay, they are red. They are very, very red. Okay. Really quickly, I'm gonna show you what I'm mixing in the salad. I haven't decided what greens mix I'm gonna have, but I got the baby spring, the arugula, and romaine. I might just mix them all. Add some apple, red onion, avocado, walnuts, dried cranberries, and some feta. And then I'm just gonna mix up my own salad dressing. Olive oil, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper. Okay, so listen. These are good. They're spicy. Barely there. Chicken strips. I'll eat these by itself. Maybe a little ketchup on the side. Or some Chick-fil-A sauce. Or some barbecue sauce. I don't know. Anything. Go ahead and mix up my salad. So this is like the perfect salty, sweet, vinegary, spicy. It's just creamy. Just a good combination. Gonna wind down for the night. get some work done before I pick up a book, read, and go to sleep. So I'm just gonna close the video out here. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you made it to the end of this video, this little Sunday vlog, Sunday reset, getting ready for the new week. I'm 2 weeks into my 6-week challenge. 4 weeks to go. It's literally going all the way out until the end of the year. Ladies are always joining, so you can always join at any time. Yeah. Have any questions? Feel free to leave them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.